Menteri Rangba Kajila Conrad K Sangma mentakasi ke khandri tarik urisau arah jarpusan ulalum ya jingialang bagi nahikai skol SSA haringkat kajindan lang Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ubak lak ben rembui Komisioner Ketenat Puli Putih Vijay Kumar Menteri IAS bagi officer Ketenat Puli Putih habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadirin belawai kajingialang nakaliang Presiden ke Meghalaya SSA School Association ubak Aristotle rembai ulang bakajing akan duk mentakasi kalong kapasiso hakabau Menteri Rangba Kajila ulapan pau baka sarkar kan yadaya ka hok jengkin hai ka SSA. Nalor kataul ang bahabaya day baka jengkin tiu tulap nakaliang ka sarkar kan pentri kam da ka pay structure ya baro kinoy ka school SSA kan top ya ki food teacher.
Mentakas ngi nang syudap banya syong bat ka is a very important meeting. Kepala chair da i Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K Sangma hakajing don lang jong i Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakmen Rumbui but ki official na ka Education Department na do i Sir Vijay Kumar Menteri i Commissioner and Secretary na ka i Director jong ka School Education and Literacy i SPD but kawai officer jong ka Education Department. Nakalian jungi ngi pentip siya baro kinong hikay SSA po Kajila Meghalaya ba ka meeting menta kasni kalong ka it's a very positive very positive meeting. So today nakaliang jong i Honorable Chief Minister ila akren na ba siya ba the government will protect the right of the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya. Kumbapitip ba ka SSA kan sakut no ka funding by 31st March 2026. So we are very happy today that the Honorable Chief Minister have made it very clear ba ka sarkar kan yada but kan protect ya ka service jong baro kinohikai SSA. Hakabay day bat kan ka pay enhancement mo kabangin dawa baro sikata. The Honorable Chief Minister ila akren na bashay ba the government will come up with a pay structure for all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, including the 4 teachers. So to say, today meeting, we from the association, we are very satisfied with today meeting. And regarding the details, what we have discussed, we will disclose in the general meeting, which we will call once we receive the minutes of today meeting. Thank you.